Introducing the JACO medium-duty Ratchet tie-down straps, proudly backed by our 100% lifetime guarantee. These straps are perfect for tying down and securing general cargo with confidence. This set includes 4 sets of ratchet straps, 4 Velcro bundling straps, heavy-duty drawstring storage bag, JACO decal sticker, warranty registration card, and instruction manual. There are 3 main components of the Ratchet that you need to be familiar with. The metal ratchet spool that the strap will wrap around, the rubberized ratchet handle built to military-grade specs, and the spring-loaded release lever. The spring-loaded release lever is used to open and close the ratchet by cranking the rubberized handle back and forth. By pressing the release lever in, you can use the rubberized handle to move the ratchet into an open and closed position. Move the ratchet fully closed when securing the cargo, and fully open the ratchet flat to loosen or release the strap from the spool. The strap also features 2 heavy-duty, rust-proof, anodized S-hooks, used for securing the straps to anchor points. Check the tag on the strap for working load limit and max brake strength of the strap. For your safety and the safety of others, it's important to never exceed the maximum brake strength. To set up your ratchet tie-down straps, follow the simple steps. First, locate the longer end of the strap. Thread the end of the strap without the hook through the center opening of the metal spool on the ratchet, and pull the strap over the top of the spool and adjust to the approximate length you will need. If you're having trouble threading the strap, you may crank the ratchet handle up and down to adjust the position of the spool. Next, secure both the hooks to the sturdy anchor points. Then pull the top slack snug around your cargo, but leave some room for tightening. Keeping the slack tight, crank the ratchet from the handle back and forth to tighten the strap around your cargo. Make sure to make at least 5 full cranks to ensure the strap is secure. Also, make sure the strap does not have any twists in it while being fed into the spool. When your cargo is secured, fully close the ratchet. You can clean up the excess slack with the included Velcro bundling straps. Double check that both the cargo and the anchor points are secure, and then you're ready to go. When you are ready to release the strap, press the release lever in and fully open the ratchet flat. Pull the bottom end of the long strap away from the ratchet to release the strap. Next, remove the S-hooks from the anchor points and close the ratchet. And that's it! For storing the ratchet, you can clean up the excess slack by wrapping the strap up and bundling together with the included Velcro straps. Always make sure to store in a cool, dry place. You can store them in the included drawstring bag, or hang the straps from the hooks in your garage.